what's your name first?
My name is Cameron Mathews.
Mathews, how old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
First of all, congratulations on being awarded man of the match. How was the game for you?
Well, it was a rough part as we was expecting a win today as we've been preparing from months now. The result wasn't on our side.
Yeah, that's how football is sometimes. So, in regards to what the team, the coach wants, you think that the team actually executing some manner, even though you lost, but at least they try to do what the coach intended.
Well, I wouldn't say no. We're not the coach of this time. Because we like here as what we've been doing in training, we didn't do much. So that's our downfall.
What are the supporters should expect from you this season? And since you won the man of the match in the first game, we see more man of the match awards coming.
Surely, for the rest of the games, coming to win, this Dacosta Cup is ours this season. For sure.
All right, Matheus, well done here, and big up.